guys, good morning. We are back and we're starting our day, and I'm gonna show you today what's inside our apartment. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jeri. In today's episode, I will be giving you a short tour of our humble home. This is the entryway right here. There's a window here and the view is really nice, and this is our living space. There's a mountain bike right here, as you can see. So this is a race ride. Actually, a friend lent it to him because he was planning to ride a bike going to and from work, but the residence management has decided to give him a free shuttle going to work, so that's why the bike is parked over there right now. And at the back of me is a full-size mirror. So basically, this is the only full-size mirror here in the house. There used to be a console table here, but I decided to make practical use of the only full-size mirror that we have right here. So I removed the console table and instead I put it here on this side at the back of the couch so that I can use this space as a work area. And as you can see, there's a nice sitting area right there with of course, again, the view of the ocean. There's a sliding glass door in the balcony, and this balcony is quite long. And this is a very expensive view of the city right here. I like everything about the interior of the house. I like the color combination, the neutral tones, the combination of the gray and the cream, and the white and the wood elements of the house. Big windows, wall glasses, and beautiful view. Right here, we picked this up in IKEA, and this one in Home Center. This is coasters, which looks really nice and very useful. And this small plant right here, which we got from Home Center as well. I think it's only 30 dirhams. I'm not sure, but it's like around that price, so it's not that bad. And you know, Ray just recently got this is for the phone, a stand for the phone. So yeah, these are the small pieces that we got just to add a little bit to the coziness of the place. So we also pick up this blanket from IKEA, one for me and one for Ray. We would normally hang out here on the couch, watch TV. It's pretty cold in here, so this one is really helpful. So we just put it here on the side. Also, because this is an open space at the back of me, you will see the dining room, and on my right side is the open kitchen as well. Right here is our dining area. So I bought these placemats from IKEA, and I hope that I bought flower to at least give this space a little bit of color. But maybe next time when I come back, and if we decided to stay here a little bit longer. I like this small kitchen that they have here. I have no complaints at all. We normally eat our breakfast in the morning, and we have a space here where all our coffee, sugar, ginger tea, we have a kettle here as well so that we can easily access. There's a microwave oven there, and we have a small coffee maker right here, so you know we can drink chocochino or a Starbucks coffee. We have the fridge here, and we also have the water dispenser, which was provided to us by the property management as well, by the owner. And in this section is the cooking area. So we have the stove, and we have all the cupboards at the top. And this is the small sink. And at the back is the washing area. So we have our washing machine there. Right now I am washing my clothes, that's why our dirty laundry is there. And we have a big trash can right there as well. Normally the cleaner would come twice a week, every Wednesday and Sundays. So yeah, I don't worry about cleaning this big space. So here in the first level of the house, we have a powder room right here. Okay guys, so this is the only toilet in the whole house that has a bidet. So I'm not sure if you're familiar with this hose right here. This is a very important part of the bathroom, and I always look for it in the toilet. But for this house, they only have it here in the powder room. Okay, so let's make it quick guys, because I'm running out of memory here in my phone. We're going upstairs. So this house is 2 levels. Oh, before we go upstairs, I'm going to show you one stockroom right here. So right now we just put our shoes over there, so it will not clutter here at home. And we decided like, okay, just to put the shoes here and the slippers, so it's easier access. And let me turn on the light. Okay, so this is a big stock room. If we live here longer, I could turn it into a walk-in pantry. So we do have these chairs and table that we can use in the balcony when the weather is nice. Look at the space right here. So we just put our luggages over there. Okay. Well, actually there's a lot of space here that I just would like to put, you know, little things to add some colors in the house. Right here is the office table and a chair. So this is small corner right here. I think this is the best spot for this table. I don't see it anywhere else. So I used to work in this corner, but I decided to move my office over there. One more thing that I love about this apartment is when going down the stairs. Beautiful view of this beautiful house. So let's go up. The first room right here, this is another stock room here in the second floor. And it's a small room actually. And I put my luggage here. So anything that we don't want to be seen in our space, we put inside the stock room so it doesn't clutter the place. Okay. And let's go now to the bedroom. So this is the master's bedroom.
Didn't even ask me what I wanted. You made dumb assumptions. Clearly not your forte. Clearly don't be fucking. You've been fucking liars. Thought that I should let you know. And you was talking freaky, like you was gonna show. I started to.
Okay guys, this is our master's bedroom. We used to sleep here in this bed. We have a king size bed right here, and also we have this is my favorite part of the bedroom as well, this two seating area right here, and it's just give me a very cozy vibe. The color tones of the pillows, and this is what the view is looking like from the window. A vanity desk right here, and I can open this one. Sorry, yeah, and it has a mirror, so we can actually put our accessories here. Right now we do have the incense that we use to make the room smells nicely. Okay, we can also use that desk as a working desk. So we are now in the master's bathroom. We have a jacuzzi here. We have a big countertop over there, with two sinks. And our own exit door also for emergency, and we have a separate toilet right here. This is the shower area. Here in our walk-in closet. Well, actually this is my husband's closet right now, since I'm only here every month for 2 weeks to 3 weeks maximum, so I don't really bring all my clothes yet. I still live in Dubai, so my husband has his clothes in all of this closet right here. Well, it looks big, but actually it's not. This is it, guys. Let's go to the second bedroom. We are now entering the second bedroom, which is our bedroom right now. Come in. So we are now here in our bedroom, and as you can see, the view here is really amazing. Although it's the same view on the other side, but it seems to be that it's brighter here. It seems to be that, you know, I can see more of the city here and also of the ocean. And this is my small closet right here. So it's not a walk-in closet, but you know, it's big enough for me. I have all my bags right here. Some of my bags. At least I have my own space. And yeah, some of my clothes right there. Okay. And let's go to the toilet. And you know what I love about this room as well is it has a lot of windows. Big windows. So it's very bright. Okay, so one more thing that I love about this toilet here is that the shower is small. It's not as big as the one in the master's bedroom. But from here, I'm going to show you the view. So this is the view that I am seeing when I'm inside the shower. So I don't normally close the door. I would close the bedroom door because I can see that beautiful view of the ocean. This is the extension of the view that you're seeing. So that's why it's more lit here. And then we have a TV right here that is not a smart TV. That's my small closet over there. And in this space is our shower area. So that's all for today, guys, and thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you again in my next vlog. Bye. Have a nice day, everyone.